Jobs that AI will replace. The inexorable advance of artificial intelligence, AI, has already begun to reshape our world in profound ways. While AI has the potential to enhance productivity, efficiency, and innovation across industries, it also brings with it the unsettling realization that certain jobs, once considered safe from automation, may be replaced by machines. Data entry clerks. Data entry clerks have long played a critical role in the organization and management of data. They are responsible for inputting vast amounts of information into databases, spreadsheets, and other digital systems. While this job requires precision and attention to detail, it is also highly repetitive and monotonous. AI is revolutionizing this field by automating the data entry process. Machine learning algorithms and optical character recognition (OCR) technology enable AI systems to scan and interpret handwritten or printed text with remarkable accuracy. These systems can rapidly transcribe and categorize data, eliminating the need for human intervention. Telemarketers. Telemarketers have long been associated with intrusive sales calls that disrupt individuals' daily lives. These professionals are responsible for making unsolicited phone calls to promote products or services, relying on scripted conversations and persuasive techniques to engage potential customers. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants are poised to replace telemarketers by providing a more efficient and less intrusive means of interacting with customers. These AI systems can engage in natural language conversations, answer customer inquiries, and even personalize product recommendations based on user preferences and historical data. Cashiers. Cashiers have traditionally played a pivotal role in retail and grocery stores, handling transactions, providing customer service, and ensuring the accuracy of purchases. However, the rise of automation and AI-driven technologies is reshaping this occupation. One of the most visible examples of this transformation is the emergence of cashierless stores. Retail giants like Amazon have introduced stores where customers can simply grab items and walk out, with AI-powered systems tracking their selections and automatically charging their accounts. This eliminates the need for human cashiers and speeds up the shopping process. In addition to cashierless stores, AI is being utilized to develop self-checkout kiosks in traditional retail outlets. These kiosks enable customers to scan their own items and complete transactions independently. Manufacturing workers. The manufacturing industry has been at the forefront of automation for decades, with robots and AI-powered machines gradually replacing human workers in various roles. This trend is likely to continue as AI technologies become more sophisticated and versatile. Robotic arms and automated assembly lines have been used extensively in manufacturing to perform repetitive and physically demanding tasks such as welding, painting, and assembling components. These machines are capable of working around the clock with high precision and consistency, which can lead to increased production efficiency and reduced labor costs. In recent years, AI-powered robots with advanced computer vision and machine learning capabilities have been deployed in manufacturing settings. These robots can recognize and manipulate objects with dexterity, making them suitable for tasks that require fine motor skills and adaptability. Customer support representatives. Customer support representatives are tasked with addressing customer inquiries, resolving issues, and providing assistance with products or services. Traditionally, this role has involved human-to-human interactions via phone, email, or chat. However, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are changing the landscape of customer support. AI chatbots are capable of handling a wide range of customer inquiries, from basic FAQs to more complex troubleshooting. They can provide immediate responses, 24/7 availability, and consistent information. Furthermore, chatbots can learn from previous interactions to improve their responses over time. Natural language processing (NLP) algorithms enable AI chatbots to understand and process written or spoken language, making them effective in text-based and voice-based customer interactions. Insurance underwriters. Insurance underwriters assess insurance applications, determine policy terms, and calculate premiums based on risk factors. This role involves a thorough evaluation of applicants' information and the use of actuarial models to estimate potential losses. However, AI is poised to automate many aspects of this job. Machine learning algorithms are capable of analyzing vast datasets to assess risk more accurately than traditional methods. These algorithms can identify patterns and correlations that may not be apparent to human underwriters, leading to more precise risk assessments. AI can rapidly process and evaluate large volumes of data, including medical records, financial histories, and property information. This enables insurance companies to make faster underwriting decisions while reducing the risk of human error. Bank tellers. Bank tellers have traditionally been responsible for assisting customers with financial transactions, such as deposits, withdrawals, and account inquiries. However, the rise of online banking, mobile apps, and AI-driven solutions has led to a decrease in the demand for in-person teller services. ATMs, automated teller machines, were one of the first forms of automation to impact the role of bank tellers. These machines allow customers to perform routine transactions independently, reducing the need for human tellers in many branches. Online and mobile banking applications have further reduced the demand for in-person banking services. Customers can now check balances, transfer funds, and even deposit checks using their smartphones or computers, without the need to visit a physical branch. Truck drivers. Truck driving has long been a staple occupation in the transportation industry, but the emergence of autonomous vehicles and AI-driven logistics systems is poised to reshape the future of long-haul trucking. Self-driving trucks, equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and AI algorithms, have the potential to revolutionize the transportation of goods. These autonomous vehicles can operate continuously, reducing the need for rest breaks and driver shifts. They can also navigate complex road conditions and traffic patterns with greater precision than human drivers. AI systems can optimize routes, manage delivery schedules, and monitor vehicle maintenance in real time. Fast food workers. Fast food restaurants have been at the forefront of automating certain aspects of food preparation and customer service. AI-driven technologies are increasingly being integrated into the fast food industry to enhance efficiency and reduce labor costs. One prominent example is the use of automated ordering kiosks in fast food chains. These self-service terminals allow customers to place orders, customize their meals, and pay without the need for human cashiers. AI algorithms can suggest menu items based on customer preferences and streamline the ordering process. In the kitchen, AI-powered robots and machines are being used to perform tasks such as flipping burgers, frying fries, and assembling sandwiches. These machines can operate with precision and consistency, reducing the risk of errors and ensuring food quality. Customer service representatives. Customer service representatives are responsible for assisting customers with inquiries, issues, and complaints related to products or services. They'd engage with customers through various channels, including phone, email, chat, and social media. While this role requires empathy and problem-solving skills, AI is increasingly being utilized to automate certain customer service tasks. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are at the forefront of automating customer service interactions. These virtual agents can handle routine inquiries, such as tracking packages, resetting passwords, and providing basic product information. They can do so efficiently, often providing instant responses and 24/7 availability. Natural language processing (NLP) algorithms enable AI chatbots to understand and process written or spoken language, making them capable of engaging in natural, human-like conversations with customers. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.